Hey, this is Zardoz. I think I'll show you a bit of what I've been doing with the wiring. It's all a bit weird. I'm not sure if it's supposed to work like this. It doesn't work quite like what you would expect it to. I've got these two tripwires to go on alternately over a second period here. And the interesting thing about this system is that it can turn itself back on if somebody walks through the tripwire again. It's not an infallible system. It's a bit bugged out, and I might have a bit of a problem here demonstrating this. So anyway, you need a terminal which is separately attached to a power source. Do not attach the terminal to the switch that the lasers and the repeater interval switches are connected to, and then you can get this effect. Now I'll try and trigger it, but it probably won't work the first time because it requires timing, and I'm not great at timing. So you put it on one time, it flashes going on and off over a 1 second period. Now if I can activate the other one, you can see here one's turned fully off and the other's turned fully on, but if I step into it, it turns back on again. And they keep the same rhythm of one turning off as the other turns on. Damn it. So you gotta try and, yeah, I'm not very good at it. If you can activate one and then the other, maybe I'll go around the other side and do the other one. So activate this one. Yeah, my timing's bad. Really bad. Activate. There you go, there you go. So it's flashing. Go around the other side. Activate that one. Now normally if you put them the right distance apart and walk through both of them, they do activate one and then the other like this. Walk through them again and they reactivate. Has to be while they're on the on phase, or the green light. There you go. So I'll show you how I wired this up now. It's all a bit buggy, and I'll also show you how to overcome some of the bugs here. If I turn this power source off here, you'll know that after you deactivate it, this interval switch or repeater is still going. It's totally bugged out, it's got no power, it shouldn't be going. Let me totally remove it from the circuit, put it over here. It's still flashing, it shouldn't be flashing, it's got no power. I can connect it here to this lamp. It's flashing, but there's no power. It's saying hello, but there's nobody home. So the way to fix this is just return it to the workshop, just like you do with lamps that stop working because you've put them too far away from a power source, and then just place it back. Thing is, this is why the switch is connected to it, because you do not want to switch it on. First of all, you want to set it up on your terminal, so don't switch it on here. To switch it up, make sure you set all the settings. So you've got to set them all to 1 second, 1 second repeat. So that's on for 1 second, off for 1 second, and set the delay to 1 second. Make sure to put the delay between the switch and the repeater, not the other way round. Otherwise it won't work. A delay placed after a repeater will still just turn off when the repeater turns the power off. It doesn't have a choice. So now I've turned it on and reset it all. There you go, it's working again. On and off and on and off. Now, as long as you reset it by walking through it, you can reset it by clicking on them again, but again your timing needs to be good. It's probably going to be easier to walk on it or step through it. Obviously they're laser tripwires, so you can use the computer to make them enemy activate only.